Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to change or replace your default responding text for a call in your iPhone. So basically, it means that whenever we get a call that time, and here sometime before cutting the call, we like to respond a call or decline the call with a text response. And that time there are default option given to you or a default text given to us, and sometime that text might not be usable or feasible to use all the time. So now that time we use a custom option and type the message, or we type our own text response. So it's very long process. So here how to change a default call response text in your iPhone. So in this video we will see how to change or replace the default text for your call response. So now let's start the video and check out the method. First of all, do one thing, go to settings, open setting application, and here scroll down till you find option called phone, and here tap on phone and open the phone option, and here in that there is an option called respond with text. Open that. Once you open that, you will find all the default text given to you. Okay, so they are in the light text or a light color. So what you can do, you can just directly replace them. Just tap on the option and it will open the keyboard for you, or you can just type your own response or own text here, like I'm on the way, will reach soon, okay, in a meeting, or can be replaced as per your own text or own choice. It is really helpful because all the options given to you sometimes it sound very rude or straightforward. Okay, if you want to like more polite words, you can add it here, and you can also the most common response you want to give to your callers. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like the method, and if yes, please give a like and please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.